Hi. So in my drone series channel, in our video, I'm going to talk about a tricopter. So this is a tricopter. I'm going to tell you how we can design a tricopter step by step. And apart from that, in addition, I made a dancing drone kind of. You can see a similar kind of sticks. I got it in the top and also in the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to connect it now. So if I try to connect it, you are able to see my drone is going to move. Yes, it's flying. Looks good, man. Okay, this is the one we are going to see it now. Let's move on to the video. So I hope you enjoy this video. I've shown you what are the steps we can do to make this kind of tricopter. So in different, I made a similar kind of sticks in the bottom which is connected to these threads. You're able to see it here. Okay, so you have to connect like this. Okay, because I want to make a dancing drone. So tricopter plus a dancing drone I want to enjoy with my kids. So I made a small kind of drone with a dancing drone kind of thing. I'm going to do it. Okay, let me hold this one. Let me hold this one. Yes, looks like it's good. Looks like it's good. Now I'm going to hold this one. Yes, looks good. Yeah, looks good. You can see it here. It's my dancing drone. You can enjoy my dancing drone here. So you hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can like the video, like it and share to your friends. Let's transform the nation. Thank you.